transaction between the north and southern Nigeria expired 10 years ago, 2014. Nigeria was 100 years in 2014. The amalgamation, the pact, the agreement between the north and southern Nigeria, amalgamation or merging together, it expired 10 years ago. Why not implement that treaty? That agreement or pact is needed to be what? Sealed off, so that everybody will go. We need a seal. Conclusion of any transaction is called sealing. We need to seal the pact so that southern Nigeria will go, north will go. Any region that says it is being over, marginalized, depressed, compressed, suppressed, should do what? Disengage from this arrangement called Nigeria. And Nigeria is overdue since 10 years ago. Nigerian political profiteers, people that are milking Nigeria dry, feeding fat on our commonwealth, have not seen anything wrong with us staying together in this abyss called Nigeria. ABYSS. Nigeria is an abyss. Survival of the political fittest. They kill and kill and kill and oppress the neglected ones, the people of southeastern Nigeria. Now Manaba is agitating for his right to set free his people in the southeastern Nigeria, and nobody has seen it right. Boko Haram and bandits that have been killing and maiming and some people, innocent people in the north. How many times has the chief of defense staff, Musa Mwewu, has concluded to go to the north to fight those people orchestrating or sponsoring banditry and terrorism in the north? He has looked and considered beyond our international boundary. Now it is Finland, an advanced country. You want to go to Finland? You want to discuss with the Finnish about their own citizens? Someone is because he's an Igbo man.
Although they say they are backing him, that's why he's doing.
They are backing him now because Finland was in this situation Biafra was before. They serve under USSR, former USSR, current Russia. None of them went to school. They know they go school. All they know is enter police, enter soldier, become senator, become president, no certificate. That's why they don't know that Biafra now is in a situation Finland was before with the former USSR. You know, Soviet of Socialist Republic with 16 federatives. And all the federatives have dismembered. Ukraine was part of Russia before. They don't know. When you feel tired, you leave. Igbo man is tired of Babu, enmity, hostilities of their Fulani counterparts, people that migrated from Senegambia in 18th centuries and sit down on Nigeria. They sat on Nigeria, they keep on oppressing and suppressing everybody in this part of the world. And nobody is seeing or saying anything about it because all their benefits, what they are doing in Nigeria is political transaction, not democracy. Chief of defense staff, he wants to kill everybody in Igbo land. Come, go to Igbo land, kill. Samaraba is there, he's waxing strong. Oga, Samaraba went to Finland based on scholarship. Did you pass primary 6? What is your certificate? I mean, you are GCE. This is a man that went there on scholarship because of what? Sportive feat, achievement. He did well on the field events, maybe high jump or football or sprinting. But Samaraba is not a blockhead. And when he went there, he became one of their military men again. They enlisted him into their military. And he did well. Are you not a military man? Go there now. This one is not aftermath of what happened at the palace of Nnamdi Kanu in Abia State. You went there, you kill everybody. Nnamdi had to escape. Nnamdi Kanu is another leader that Igbo has got. God, man, you gotta set him free from the SS facilities. You are looking beyond Nam now. You are looking at Finland. Now Manaba is agitating for his right to set free his people in the southeastern Nigeria, and nobody has seen it right. Boko Haram and bandits that have been killing and maiming and some people, innocent people in the north. How many times has the chief of defense staff, Musa Mwewu, has concluded to go to the north to fight those people orchestrating or sponsoring banditry and terrorism in the north. He has looked and considered beyond our international boundary. Now it is Finland, an advanced country. You want to go to Finland? You want to discuss with the Finnish about their own citizens? Someone else is because he's an Igbo man.
Although they say they are backing him, that's why he's
They are backing him now because Finland was in this situation Biafra was before. Musa, the chief of defense staff. I don't have problem analyzing Nigerian politics. The reason why I don't have problem is that because I know that most of the politicians, most of the military men in Nigeria are ethnic bigots. They don't squarely serve Nigeria. What they do is that they just, do their best only for their people. Only for the particular extraction where they come from is where they are bending all their political activities, all their political benefits, all the profiteering government business. They just channel it to the extraction, the region where they come from. Musa is a northerner in the military. Instead of minding what is happening in the north, actually what Simon Ekpa is fighting for is quite different from what Boko Haram and bandits are fighting for in the north. Simon Ekpa is a man I know that is fighting for exploitations, over marginalization, persecutions, decimations, annihilation of Igbo man in the southeastern hemisphere of this country. Now look at the way Chief of Defense Staff is handling the situation. He wants to get a marching order from the presidency in conjunction or collaboration with Finland government to extradite Ekpa so that they will cut Ekpa's head. If an Igbo man dies, Hausa Fulani rejoices. If an Igbo man goes down, people from other ethnic extractions, they jubilate. When the dead body of a young dog is being conveyed to the cemetery to be buried, nobody knows how the female dog, the bitch called female dog, feels about the deaths of her child. Are you listening to me? See, Musa himself is not squarely serving Nigeria in the military. Anytime Musa hears about Biafra, his mind cuts. Because he knows that the Ekpa is fighting for. That is what Samuel Ekpa is fighting for. Now they brought the political gang up. They come out with the political gang up to sabotage Samuel Ekpa. They want to arrest him. And let them go to Finland and arrest him and bring him back to Nigeria. It means they want to go and fight Finland. Because Finland is not Kenya or Britain. Chief of Army Staff commented against Samuel Ekpa. What Samuel Ekpa has done, what crime that Samuel Ekpa has done to deserve to arrest, for him to deserve to arrest. Samuel Ekpa is fighting for his own people. It's fighting for the Easterners because of the injustice that Easterners are passing through in this country to call Nigeria. That is what Samuel Ekpa is fighting for. Samuel Ekpa is not killing his people. It's not killing nobody is dying in the East. Rather, the saboteurs against Samuel Ekpa. The saboteur we have in the East. The saboteur from the government that we have in the East. So sabotage what Samuel Ekpa is doing. Samuel Ekpa hasn't committed anything to deserve arrest. Let them think about Boko Haram. Let them think about Northerners. Let you leave the Easterners alone. It's because of the injustice, the hatred for Nigeria government. That is why they come out The Samuel Ekpa and the Nnamdi Kanu came out. So enough is enough. This injustice is enough. Because of the hatred marginalized against the Easterners that Samuel Ekpa is fighting for. That is what Samuel Ekpa is fighting for. Now they brought the political gang up. They come out with the political gang up to sabotage in Samuel Ekpa. They want to arrest him. And let them go to Finland and arrest him and bring him back to Nigeria. It means they want to go and fight Finland. Because Finland is not Kenya or Britain. That always forget. That always wicked politics. Finland is not like that. No, they should go to Finland and fresh Samuel Ekpa. What of the bandits in North? For years. Where are the sorcerers? What of the headsmen? Who gives them the power? Who gives them the courage? Who is backing them? They cannot filter those things out. It's only one time, anything concerns the Easterners. Now they will raise their muscle. Let them get fight Boko Haram first. Let them reach out to the people that are fighting Boko Haram. They haven't fought for that. They never fought for the people that are fighting the headsmen. They're killing people. Killing villagers. People in the farm for their farmland. The headsman would get there and went there and finish the whole village. And took over the land. People from this have no go there to make a party. They do not make a party. Who is that sorcery? Who gives them the power? To be committing all those sins day by day. In the Bene, in the Plateau. Kaduna. In Enugu. So part of everybody. The herdsman has taken over. They could not fight, and they have fetched all those people that be the sponsors of the Boko Haram and the herdsmen. Herdsmen has taken over everywhere. The chief of armies they haven't spoke. They haven't fetched out the sponsors. It's always a Samuel Ekpa. I think Nnamdi Kanu is the problem. People that are fighting for the injustice for their people. They are fighting for the freedom of their people. They make sure that their people is free. Avoid the injustice of the Israelites are passing through in Nigeria.
But do you not think it's the problem from the southeast? Do you not think it started when they came to attack or arrest Nnamdi Kanu at his residence?
Yes.
That's where the problem started.
No. The problem started when the Nigerian military, the Nigerian government take over the southeast and start killing our youth. And whereby there was security we have, as inside security. They do not have arms. They do not have ammunition. Now they force them to take ammunition. They force our securities to take ammunition. Because they want to take over the insurance. They want to take over our youth. They want to take over our land. To control us. Like a number. That's what the agenda. That's the agenda. To control the insurance. Take your case, they just stand here, you stand. Because they don't want us to drink water and drop off. They don't want us to make move. They don't want us to shake our body. For what? One Nigeria. It's when they started killing our youth. When the soldiers take over the southern eastern of the country. That is why the problem started. I come to work when they graduated in Kenya and brought in Nnamdi Kanu. And they refused to release him. When the highest court have given order that this man don't have question to answer. Does not have case. Does not have case. Release this man, you refuse. He said no. But I'm come out. I'm Bitanyanku. They refused to release Nnamdi Kanu. Do you think that the Igbo'S will be happy? Do you think that the Easterners will be happy? How can we be happy? What crime that Nnamdi Kanu have committed? Have committed? They made them arrest him. What crime? because it's fight for injustice for his own people. That is enough is enough. So that's why our people, rise up. Say enough is enough. Kill that, kill you. Because without that, the Igbo'S will just like ants to Nigerians. And that's the agenda, that's their plan. They don't have any good plan against the Easterners. As long as this Nigeria that I'm telling you, they don't have any good plan against the Easterners. They don't get afraid of the Boko Harams. They sponsor it for years. That killing is going on in the northern part of the country. Killing the innocent souls. Killing the soldiers. Nobody utter a word. They only after the Easterners, the Igbo'S. That's the problem. When you went there to arrest them, you want to fight. You went there to fight Finland. That is it. Finland is from the Kenya. It's not Kenya. It's not the people that don't know their right, do not know the right. Finland is not like that. It's not the country that we just enter and then arrest and go free. No. Let them go. Arrest him. And abandon their problem. The problem that is hitting Nigeria, they could not find it out. They could not fish it out. They are all after the Igbo'S. What an Igbo has told them to Nigerians? Every time they after Igbo'S. Why? Every time they after Igbo'S. Samanepa did not do anything wrong. What of the sponsor of the Boko Haram did this? What kind of fetch have? For years, why? A giant of Africa. And this kind of thinness is happening in your country. You cannot solve it for years. How many years now? If I'm not mistaken, it's more than 12 years. The Boko Haram are terrorizing the whole north. The bandits, kidnapper, killing the herdsmen. Killing them by day. The people have the herdsmen have, the soil in the Benue. It's uncountable. It's uncountable. And they cannot solve the problem. They only after the Samanepa. That is the injustice I always say. That is the injustice I always come on about. I always say, the injustice is so much. They could not ask question, why these people are fighting for Biafra? What they have to is kill them, freeze them out. Kill them with it. You saw them, shut their mouth up. Why? And they cannot shut the northern out. You cannot shut them up. They are free to do anything, anything they like to do. They are free. The northern are free because they believe that they know the country. That's their belief. So that is going to happen over there. It's only after the Easterners. We're coming for injustice.